sweet time. Hello, so we are obviously not in Bangkok anymore. We are now in Kanchanaburi, and so the first day we pretty much didn't do anything. We just went out for eat. We went to this vegan vegetarian place called I don't remember what it was called, but anyway, it's really good. There was one time when I didn't get pad thai, and it was a mistake because Kadri did, and it was delicious. But I have fried rice, which is also good, so no complaints there. And yeah, we kind of just enjoyed our time here. And after having this amazing meal, I still can't remember what the place name was. Anyhow, it's on the main street. Everything's on this one main street in Kanchanaburi, so you can't miss it. And as you can see, there's like Halloween outfits, decorations everywhere. But we ended up renting bicycles because that's what we can do, because we can't drive a bike. And we ended up just cycling to the Death Railway Bridge. And we were both kind of surprised because it's a little bit smaller than we figured it would be. But it is still really beautiful, and you could really feel the atmosphere there was definitely very serene and different. So that's what we did on our first day. And yeah, we have to say that Kanchanaburi was really beautiful. So definitely worth visiting, and a lot less touristy than other parts in Thailand have been. We're just waiting the bus because today is gonna be an epic day. I'm so excited. We are hoping to get the bus and get to the ERAWAN Waterfalls because they're supposed to be epic, and they're like 7 layers, and we can swim in the ponds on every layer, and it's just supposed to be very cool, and we're really excited. But you're supposed to catch a public bus from just outside 7-Eleven, and we're not 100% sure it's the right place, but we're hoping it is. So we'll see when it comes and if we'll get on the bus, but I'm really hoping that we'll. So we already missed the first one because we're a little bit slow, and yes, we don't know, but wish us luck, and we'll see you when we get to the waterfall. As you can see, we made it to the waterfalls area, and oh, no loudness. I can't be here then. Anyway, we made it to the waterfalls area, and now we're going to, oh, it's so overlight. We're going to try to find where the waterfalls are, and we're so excited. Yay! snack break, and we're having spring singles tasting nori sheets because we're so cool.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need.
So cool.
We can live on the water.
Lighting is really bad. We're now at level 5 and it's incredibly beautiful, but there's this little fish that nibble at your feet as soon as you put your leg in the water, and basically they don't go away. You have to be moving all the time. So when you're trying to get somewhere on the water, they're everywhere and it's so weird. Like, you don't get used to it, but otherwise it's incredibly beautiful here, and we've just been spending time here. So now we're probably gonna hike up to level 6, and yeah, I keep feeling that the fish are like on me. It's so weird.
Empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Yay! Kadri. Okay, so this is where we give up. We got to 5.5 and it gets pretty bad. Like, we see people like slipping in the mud and we don't want to live through that, so we're gonna go back down because the road's like this. And like, we don't want to fall in the mud, so we're gonna head back down, maybe get a coffee or a fruit shake or something, and not like fall.
Empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Okay, so we're back in Kanchanaburi, obviously. And since it's Halloween, we decided to dress up as angels because obviously our clothing options were quite limited. So we got these Euro costing cool angel-like headbands, and we're wearing white. And now we're going to find a Halloween party or a place we can have some beer. Either one will do. So yeah, that's what we're up to now.
It's all the same, but some things never change.
Just found out that our beer is full of something bad that will make our bodies last forever. But why is that a bad thing? We'll be like vampires. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
You know, it's all the same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's
We found a friend, and he died. Yeah,
Come on, let me show you how. You're my broken love. You're my broken love.
Okay, I make video. So I'm locked out of my hotel because somehow the lock doesn't work. And even though I've kind of learned to drive a motorbike tonight and I've had a really good night, the lock doesn't work. I've been having water and just chilling out. I kind of just want to like go to bed. In 2 hours it'll be like breakfast time. I bet I'll be really happy tomorrow. So that's Halloween for you in Thailand style.